at all. And think about it. All elected officials, to some extent, have in mind how their conduct, how their decisions, their policy decisions will affect the next election. There's always some personal interest in the electoral outcome of policy decisions. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's part of representative democracy. And to go start saying now that, well, if you've got a part motive that's for your personal electoral gain, that that's somehow going to become an offense, it doesn't make any sense. And it's totally unworkable. And it can't be a basis for removing a president from office. So the bottom line is, once you're into any mixed motive situation, once it is established that there is a legitimate public interest that could justify looking into something, just asking a question about something, the main interest case fails, and it fails under their own terms. They recognize that they have to show no possible public interest. There isn't any legitimate public interest. And they've totally failed to make that case. I think we've shown very clearly that both of the things that were mentioned, 2016 election interference and the Biden-Burisma situation, are things that raise at least some public interest. There's something worth looking at there. It's never been investigated in the Biden situation. Lots of their own witnesses from the State Department said that on its face, it appears to be a conflict of interest. It's at least worth raising a question about, asking a question about it. And there is that public interest, and that means their case absolutely fails.